Thank you, Red Guy, ha. Thank you for your support. Alam mo na wala akong mga masyadong viewers kapag hindi ako nagda-dance. If I'm not dancing a sexy dance or I'm not wearing sexy clothes, nobody wants me na. You know, that's what I have noticed. You know, I do the experiment. I change my image. You're welcome. Thank you. You know, I change my image. If I am a professional, nobody wants to listen or to watch me. But if I look like a prostitute, I dance sexy, wear sexy clothes, I reach 15,000 views. Okay? Nag-video ka pala. Nagvi-video ka pala. Oo, nagvi-video din ako. So, I conclude that viewers prefers prostitute than professional.